Now, there are many companies that still rely on websites with excellent content but outdated, clunky designs. This is one thing that we can see in case of many websites that we explore daily on the internet. This gap between the content and its presentation and its outdated presentation, this gap presents a massive opportunity for the modern entrepreneur. This idea came to me while I was exploring how AI will make impact on the modern computer programming and the modern jobs. You can fill this void by launching an AI powered website modernization agency. This is the core idea that I have, and in this tutorial I'll give a few of more of my insights into this idea. You can see this as a home renovation service. Like somebody wants to renovate the home, similarly people might want to renovate their whole website, which is a common requirement. You do not discard the foundation. Nothing has to be rewritten, everything has to be retained, graphics have to be retained, text has to be retained. You will retain the core content and the core message of the website, but it will now be wrapped in a sleek modern interface. The looks will change. The message of the website will not change. The graphics will not change. Nothing will change, no work needs to be done. The only thing we need is a change in the looks of a website, which is the main need of every person in the market who is asking for a renovation of the website. As I'm saying, there is no need to write tedious lines of code because AI is there to help you. You have to command advanced AI models like OpenAI's Codex. They will perform the heavy lifting. The business will be cost effective. There will be no need of very heavy manpower. You transition from a traditional coder to a prompt architect. You will be directing the technology to build premium digital products. That's all. No code has to be written, no HTML, no CSS, no nothing. You just have to write a good prompt to make changes to the website. Now there are a few steps to this transformation. How will this be done? I'll give you the roadmap also. You will start by providing the AI tool. You will give to the AI tool the link, the HTTPS or HTTP whatever. The website is still resting on the internet. You will give the HTTPS link to the existing outdated homepage of the website. I have tested this. I have done this for my own website also, and therefore this idea struck me. I didn't download any graphics. I didn't get anything on my computer. I simply thought that I should be lazy. I should give the link to my website. And once I gave the link, I wrote a prompt to the codex. I instructed the AI to rewrite the entire website. I waited for it to do whatever it does. I gave it a command. I wrote the prompt that it should retain the original text. As I've said, it should retain the core concepts and graphics while applying a modern aesthetic style, which was my main need. Because as a developer, I was able to write a lot of code, lot of text, lot of graphics. But the only thing my website lacked was that it wasn't pleasing to the eye, it wasn't pleasing to a buyer. It contained everything, but it wasn't pleasing to the buyer. So I commanded it that it should retain the original text, the core graphics, the core concepts, everything should be retained. So this is what you will do. This is the idea, the step that I am outlining right now. Then, as I again say time and time, you will have to focus your expertise on writing precise instructions. You have to be a master of the English language that will write instructions to your codex. No need to write any HTML, no need to write any CSS, no need to write any JavaScript. No, don't enter into that at all. Don't put your fingers into that. Simply give the link, have the objective in mind, tell it that it should retain everything. Write precise instructions. For this, you might need employees who are smarter at writing things, at commanding things. Once you have done this, AI will produce a first website for you. I have tested this on Codex. It will give a first draft. It will, in my case, it gave me the HTML index page. It gave me a CSS folder. It gave me downloaded all the graphics. It did everything. So I'm not explaining all that how to do this, because as a developer you might already be able to do all that. So I'm just outlining the things. So let the AI produce the first draft. Once you have the first draft in front of you, send it to the customer, send it to the client. Ask him to review it, and whenever he reviews it and sends you some changes, of course those changes are always there, that this graphic should be like this, that the font should be like this should be bigger, this should be smaller. Let your customer write an email to you or a WhatsApp message to you. Let him write in his own English. Now pass on this English to your employee and ask him to rewrite it into a prompt. Put that prompt to the Codex software that you are using. Maybe you used that software a week back. Codex will know everything. It knows the whole context, because it creates a folder there for your website. You just have to tell that in this folder I want these changes. Simple. So whatever your client says, simply tweak the prompt, write a prompt. No need to write prompt from the very beginning. Just add additional prompt. The next step. The old thing is done, settled. Okay. Write the new prompt on the basis of the requirements of your customer and let the AI regenerate the code instantly. These are the 4 steps that I am telling you. You can keep on doing this over and over again. Maybe your client comes a week later that I want to do this. Maybe comes after 6 months that I want this change. No need to worry about at all. Like mostly as a developer, I faced one problem, that once a client comes back, I had to just review the whole code. I had to again enter into the whole code, and that's a very difficult feeling if you have ever done that. But in this case, that thing simply disappears. You don't have to do it. Codex knows it all. Times are changing. So we have to change. We have to change according to these times. So what will be the features of this modernized website? Modern aesthetics, clean lines, intuitive white space, contemporary typography, everything that will please your eyes. Because AI will be doing it on the basis of its own experience, on the basis of what the world is enjoying, on the basis of how people are reacting to websites elsewhere. So this is what you are going to get. In fact, you can integrate functional buttons also. Simply write a prompt to say that add a button so that I can print the content. Everything will be added. a button, shiny button will be added. It will automatically go into the CSS. No need to dirty your hands into the CSS. It will automatically do it. It will add buttons to print content. It will add buttons to zoom into images. It will add buttons to add smooth navigation. So all these things will be added on the basis of the prompts and in a very convenient manner, and Codex doesn't tire out. It doesn't say I am exhausted. You just need to write a few lines of English and a good standing business. It can start immediately. Another advantage I'll give you is that since the code is done by AI and since you have told it that search engine optimization should be done, it will automatically have structured headers, meta tags, which will ensure that the website ranks higher on search engines like Google. Human beings can make errors, but if SEO is done by an AI engine, it is almost always the perfect SEO. My belief is that the future is of a prompt professional. You no longer need a computer science graduate to build world-class websites. You only need a prompter. A person that can prompt your computer, that can prompt your codex. So you act as a sort of a director. Your employee is a sort of a instructor director. You are simply asking your employee is now your codex. You're just directing the codex to do things for you. So the story is changing, and this is what you can use to leverage. This efficiency will allow you to scale your business rapidly and offer competitive pricing as long as others do not start imitating you. My belief is that if you put pamphlets or advertisements in your area and tell other people that you can review their websites, you can do their websites in a better way at a small sum, maybe $1, $2, a number of orders can flow. But now I am a bit old, so I can't do all that. But if anybody can pick on that idea, it's possible. And if you need any technical help, I am there. Ask me, write in the comments. I'll be happy to offer technical help, and let's see if we can collaborate also. So I'll close this right now. Thank you.